For AI modeling, maximum mathematical formulas are built in Python libraries. Python is a popular programming language for AI and machine learning, and it provides a rich ecosystem of libraries and packages for mathematical and scientific computing. While Python's standard library includes basic mathematical functions and operations, the real power for AI modeling comes from external libraries that build upon these foundations. Some of the most commonly used libraries for mathematical operations in AI modeling include Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. 1. NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental library for numerical and mathematical operations in Python. It provides support for arrays, matrices, and a wide range of mathematical functions, making it a cornerstone for scientific computing in Python. 2. SciPy. SciPy builds upon NumPy and offers additional functionality for scientific and technical computing. It includes modules for optimization, integration, interpolation, linear algebra, and more. 3. Pandas. While Pandas is primarily known for their data manipulation and analysis capabilities, it also includes functionality for working with numerical data in the form of data frames, which is essential for pre-processing and cleaning data in AI projects. 4. SymPy. SymPy is a Python library for symbolic mathematics. It allows you to perform symbolic computations, including algebraic manipulations, calculus, and solving equations symbolically. 5. TensorFlow and PyTorch. These deep learning frameworks provide extensive mathematical operations for neural networks and machine learning models. They include automatic differentiation, GPU support, and tools for building and training complex models. 6. Keras. Keras is a high-level neural networks API that runs on top of TensorFlow, Theano, or CNTK. It simplifies the process of building and training neural networks, abstracting many mathematical details. 7. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a popular machine learning library that offers a wide range of machine learning algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. It also provides tools for data pre-processing and evaluation. 8. Matplotlib and Seaborn. These libraries are used for data visualization, which is a critical part of AI modeling to understand data and results. They allow you to create various types of plots and charts. While Python's standard library does include some mathematical functions, the libraries mentioned above provide more extensive and specialized tools for AI modeling and mathematical operations. Depending on your specific AI project's needs, you may use a combination of these libraries to perform mathematical and scientific computations effectively. Thank you.